I am about to show you how to make the most delicious, best baked chicken ever. Audra Sinet with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. I'm going to show you how to make the absolute best and easiest baked chicken ever. Get you some chicken thighs, and it's even better when they reduce for sale. And then we're gonna take all of these ingredients. We're gonna start with this sesame oil and put it on. Then we're gonna put all these seasonings on it, and then we're gonna turn it upside down in a cast iron skillet, put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And you're gonna have the best chicken ever. Okay, so the first thing I do is I add oil, and I am using extra virgin sesame oil. So I'm putting some oil in here. I'm not really good at measuring, but you got to put enough oil that it can coat all of your chicken thighs. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicken thighs over there. Okay, secret ingredient. This broth base and seasoning, this chicken flavor. All right, I'm going to put all of your ingredients in a bowl so that you can flip the chicken around in it and marinate it. I'm not really picky about what seasoning you use. If you have one you prefer, use that. I'm really big on going to little markets and trying new seasonings. Okay, so you want to add some oregano in with your seasonings. This oregano is fire. It's a nice little addition. I really like fresh oregano, but this will work. Hopefully you're trying some different seasonings like you might have picked up at the market or a farmer's market. Always add some garlic. Okay, so I'm really big on garlic. I love garlic. I really like it fresh. In retrospect, I'm going to leave this step out. Do not add any more sodium. Okay, and then I'm adding paprika for flavor and for color. And then parsley. Okay, and then parsley. Some fresh parsley. I like a lot of parsley. All right, and then I'm gonna mix all this together. Can you see it good? Okay, so then I like marinade. I mixed all the seasonings in, and now you see how I'm putting it all over this chicken thigh. And then I'm putting this chicken thigh face down in the skillet. So, okay, I'm using a cast iron skillet, but if you don't have one yet, you need to go to Walmart and get one. But if you don't have one, a cookie sheet with parchment paper will work just as good. You can bake this however you bake it. Put it in a little baking dish. It works great. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks so good even before it goes in the oven. So then I'm going to bake it on 350 for 45 minutes. Okay, so I kept it in too long. I kept it in for an hour, and it was only supposed to be in 5 minutes. And so now I'm turning it over so that it can just really get some of that goodness. And so it's really totally done. But I'm going to keep it in for like 20 minutes so that it can cook. Okay, this is it. I left it in just a little too long. It's a little more crispy than I want, but it's going to be good. It's going to be crispy. It's totally well done. It's going to be super tender. And look at that gravy that's in there. It is amazing. So I'm going to put some aluminum foil over it and let it sit till we're ready to eat. I had so many plans to make vegetables and plate it and make it look so pretty for you. This was so doggone good. We tore this stuff up. We pretty much ate it right out the skillet. It was delicious. Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.